MYOB Advanced supports tracking purchase orders and sales orders for each project as project cost commitments and project revenue commitments respectively. You can track the budget and actual amounts of a project as well as the original commitments. When the commitments are created, the system uses them to populate the revenue and cost budget for the corresponding project, project task, inventory item, and account group. In the next section, we will learn how to track a purchase order as a cost commitment for our project. We will process a purchase order with a string that refers to a project, review the internal commitment created based on the purchase order, and create an external commitment. Let's say that the second phase of the fixed price project for art cages requires 4 additional hours of installation services. We need to purchase this service from a supplier. To create a purchase order with a line that refers to the project, we would first need to go and update our Project Preferences form in the General Settings tab. We can now select the Internal Cost Commitment Tracking checkbox and save our changes. With this checkbox selected, the system tracks purchase orders for each project as cost commitments. To be able to process purchases for the project task, we need to associate the project task with a warehouse location. Let's now navigate to our purchases and create a new purchase order. On the purchase order screen, we can leave the type as normal. We can enter our supplier and insert a description. On the Document Details tab, we can select our inventory ID as Install, update our order quantity, our unit cost, and now we can select the project for which this purchase order is raised and also the relevant project task. When you select the project and project task for a purchase order line, as we've done this purchase order, you link this line to the selected project and task. We can now clear the whole checkbox in the summary area and save our purchase order. The system creates the commitment. We have now created the purchase order, and in the next video, we will review the created commitment and will manually create a new one.